Are you looking move-in ready townhouse around Twin Cities for the price below 400,000? I can show you today one in Inver Grove Heights. It's priced 380,000 and located close to Mississippi River. 7 minutes drive. Let me show you this 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, beautiful townhouse. We will start our tour from outside, and this is super quiet neighborhood, peaceful. Those set of townhouses, we can see that it's a two-level townhouses located across the road where is the pond and single-family houses. So not so many buildings from that side. It's not a corner unit, but this unit is connected to the corner unit, and altogether it's 3, 4, 5, 6 units in the building. Driveway is asphalt and leading to garage, and beautiful little garden on front of the main entrance. 4 steps towards the main entrance and the beautiful porch. Great for your decoration and flowers, anything you would like. And now let's take a look inside. You can put a little shelf or carpet here for the shoes, and we'll go upstairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 stairs upstairs. We can see another 10 stairs downstairs to the lower level. We'll go back to this later. Let's explore main level. Main level has beautiful LVP high quality floor, windows, electric fireplace, and great area for TV. Fireplace has remote controller. You can make it different colors. Let me figure it out if I can. Yep, I'm playing with that. So all depends on your mood, what you like better. This is area perfect for your living room. It can be a huge sofa here, and it's connected to the kitchen. This townhome has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2-car garage. All 3 bedrooms located on the upper level. So it's convenient if you're working from home or having a bigger family, all of you can be on the same level. This home was built in 2023, so everything is very new, basically like a new construction. It's a beautiful quartz or Korean countertops. You can see backsplash with a mosaic, all cabinets. Like I told, it's very new, no soft closing, but they are tall and spacious. Range and microwave, stainless steel, plus refrigerator and dishwasher, all is in place. Great space above microwave, and this is a gas range with extra space for grill or barbecue if you prefer to do it home. I like to do it outside. This range has an extra drawer on the bottom, so that is perfect for you baking stuff. And it has lots of cabinets, pull-out drawers, and extra shelves, cabinets, and beautiful tall stainless steel refrigerator. So hot today that it's super cool. When I open refrigerator, I can feel this refreshing air coming outside. So refrigerator, and on the bottom it's a freezer. Okay. It's a very good size of the kitchen island with the sink and plenty of cabinets on it. We can find disposal under the sink and stainless steel dishwasher. Again, everything is new, built in 2023, so everything related to 2023. This area is set for the dining area, and this dining area connected to the balcony, little deck where you can grill and has some fun outside. Yeah, you also can say hi to your neighbors. They're right over there. This area has a big pantry. Pantry can feed everything you want. And it's connected with the laundry room. Very functional main level. You can do so many things if you're multitasking. No closet here. And this is very nice design, but it's a vinyl. And laundry room has a beautiful window. If I will turn all lights on this level, it still will be very bright and spacious. All right, let's move forward on upper level. Can you see how it's cool when you turn this fireplace and it's playing with different colors? And so much light on the ceiling. It's a knockdown ceiling. Some people don't like popcorn, so this is a great option for you. Now we're going upstairs. It's 4 steps and another 10 steps to the upper level. Upper level has a primary bedroom. Carpet is very soft, and primary bedroom located on the side where you're not gonna find any neighbors close to you. Primary bedroom overlooking this pond, and this development is built in the middle of single family houses, so not many buildings around. Across the road it's 1-level townhouses, which is not on your way if you want to enjoy some nature. Very spacious, and it's already empty primary suite. It's connected to the walk-in closet. Walk-in closet has good size, nothing fancy, just simple shelving. And this is beautiful primary bathroom. Primary bathroom has it's a vinyl, looks like a tiles floor, and a beautiful countertop with double sinks, almost mirror to the wall. If you like colors, it's a grayish bright colors, and it's a good size of the shower. And the linen closet. The linen closet also has lots of shelves. This is the view of the same bathroom, just from different angle. Lights on the upper level, modern. They have little fan just inside of the light. From the primary bedroom, we're going to hall, which separating 2 bedrooms and the primary bedroom. In the hall, we can see another full bathroom. Full bathroom. Yep, it's a vinyl floor as well, and a beautiful countertop and shower with a tub combo. Very nice. Now we are moving through the hall, and we can find another linen closet, perfect for those 2 bedrooms on this side, and 1 bedroom with the closet and This door also can be closed, so it looks better. And the second bedroom, about the same size with the closet. We can close this door as well, so you can see full picture. Those two bedrooms, they overlooking another building, which is behind this unit. But if you want some privacy, you always can use those window covering, and then you don't have any concern that someone can see you. Okay, moving forward to the lower level. Now we're going to the lower level. Same 10 steps. Easy to remember. Everything is in this house 10 steps up and 10 steps down. You can overlook this beautiful main level, and we did not explore this part yet. When you come in from the front door and going on the main level, first what you will find is a closet. This is the space where you can leave your clothes, and the powder room with the sink and the toilet. Lower level, soft carpet, but we still can see that floor here is LVP, and this will be your main from garage. So this floor and the closet where you can leave your clothes. This is a mudroom, also useful for entrance to the home. And this is the way to garage. We'll go there in a second. It's room, family room, study room. You can use it regarding your lifestyle. Some people looking for a great TV area. I would say this is a great space where you can put your TV or screen on the wall and put some chairs or good size sofa here and a table, and it will be private and separate area from the main and upper level. This family room has also very good size closet. Sometimes I can see that people may remove those doors and add like a table, a working desk inside their closet. This way you can extend the area. And this closet is a utility closet. Utility closet including everything what you will find in modern new constructions, because it just was 3 years ago built. So you can find water heater, water softener, air-to-air exchanger, dehumidifier, and the furnace. Everything exactly how it's in new constructions. This area is completely separate, and people who don't like noise will be happy that it's not connected to the main living area. And this door is leading us to garage. It's a 2-car garage, insulated, and this garage has also extra space, extra storage for your goods. All right, coming back to the house, and last thing we did not explore, this is a walkout. Very convenient walk outside. If you have pets, it's very easy to let dog or cat out and to have little walk on green space outside. From this angle we can see our deck, which is located here. Nice lighting. And now we're coming back to the unit. Closing doors and going back to the main level. This is your primary way to the house. When you arrive home, you go into garage, through this mudroom, going upstairs to the main level, to this half bathroom and the closet. If you like this townhouse, or you know someone who is looking for townhouse in such a great location, please contact me directly for more information on private showings. And thank you for watching this tour. Subscribe for my channel for more tours in Minnesota. Or text me what kind of houses you are looking for, and I can go and check them for you.